Hello, this is the video tutorial for Java installation on a Windows machine. Now let us start. First of all, let us see whether we have Windows already installed, Java already installed on Windows. So let us go to the command prompt and check by using java-version command. It shows that Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or bash file. This means that Java is not installed on this particular Windows machine. So let us first download Java, and we are going to install Oracle Java SDK. We will go to okay, so now we will first of all go to Oracle Java SDK website, and we will install the latest Java version. So here we go to Java downloads on the Oracle website. So you can see Java 17 and Java 18 are available right now. The Java 17 LTS means this is a long-term support version of Java SDK, and there are some other details about until which date the updates will be supported for this version. So let us install Java 18, and as we have the Windows machine, so we will go to Windows tab, and we will use the MSI installer. So we will click on this link for the MSI installer, and here we are going. This file is downloaded here, and now we are going to install this by double clicking on it, and now this is the start page for the wizard. It is telling us about the JDK version. This wizard will guide you through the installation process for the Java SE Development Kit 18.0.2.1. Now it is asking for a path. You can use the default path, and in most cases you should not change this path. This is C program files Java JDK 18.0.2.1, and this will install the JDK, which requires around 420 MB on your hard disk. Click the change button to change the installation folder, but we are not changing it. Now we are going to the next step. Now it is installing it, and it is showing the status. Here you can see the status that it is successfully installed. Click next steps to access tutorials, API documentation, developer guides, release notes, and more to help you get started with the JDK. So you can click on it and it will take you to some website for useful links about documentation and guides, etc. So we are not going to look into this in this video tutorial. So let us close it, and now we again check using the same command, and it is still not recognized because this is the old prompt we opened. Let us close it and reopen. We are going to reopen it, and now we will write again java-version. Now you can see it is showing you the Java version 18.0.2.1, and its release date is this 18 August 2022. And it has this Java SE runtime environment, and this is Java hotspot 64-bit server VM. And now you can write down some Java code and you can try to run it. But first of all, you should go to the program files and see that Java is available here. So you can copy this and then you can set the environment variables for Java home. So go here and then you create a new, rather you should create in system variables, and here Java underscore home, and you put the path like this, and then inside the path you can edit it, and then you can create a new one like this, Java underscore home, and this will be it. And you should actually provide the path until, like, Java home should point to this directory rather than Java. So in Java home you can edit it by double clicking, save it, and now you go here and you close it. Now you go to the C directory and you create some folder for code, and inside code let us write a hello world Java program. So this is hello world dot Java. The class name should be the same as the file name, the public class name should match the file name. You can see this is the file name hello world.java, and this is the public class name. And now you can write public static void main string args and here you write down system.out.println hello world like this. Now you save it and you go to the you open the console again. Now you change directory, then cd to code. Here you can see the hello world.java.txt file is here, but it is not the txt file. You have to change the uh, you have to change its extension, and for it you will have to now its extension is available here for editing, and you can edit it like this. Save it, and now you have to do first Java C to compile it. Now you can see a class file is here, and to run it, Java hello world without the class extension, and you can see it has output. The output for it hello world is there. So that's it. This is the video tutorial for installation of Java on Windows machine. Next I will cover the installation of Java on Linux machine. Then we will cover the installation of Java on Docker. Then we will see how we can use Java on a Kubernetes pod. Then we will see how we can install Java on a Mac machine, and then we will see what are the differences in installing the Java on different flavors of Linux, that is Ubuntu or Debian or Red Hat or Fedora. So we will look into that, and I will cover all these topics, and then I will continue with more advanced Java topics. I have experience of more than 19 years in software development, and I will continue this series to help you out. Thanks, and please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much.